Yes, today we are going to discuss the focus area culture and nationalism. The chapter belonging to culture and nationalism, which are the important topics which are going for the 2022 board examination. Now, the first one is the social reformers, starting with the social reformers. Yes, the focus area of 2022. The first one is role of education. Role of education. To bring changes in the society, by the role of education, to bring changes in the society, to maintain unity of the country, and to fight against British. These are the three important points when we are talking about the starting point of this focus area, role of education. Now, under British understood that study about India was essential. Why? Because India's people are not able to communicate properly with the British, and that's why they want more and more people to be accompanied with the British rule. That is why they put forward certain essential things in India, that is learned Indian society. They learned Indian society. They translate Sanskrit works to know more about India and the in-depthness of India, establishment of institutions like to study about India. They established institutions to study about India. To interfere Indian education, they put forward their own system of education to the Indian educational field and to train their officers for their profit, to make more convenient to rule India. That was the major aim of British when we are talking about their educational systems put forward in India. Now, the types of interest being twofold. One is Indians to free the country from political, economical and cultural dominance of British. When we are talking about education, according to Indians, to pass away, to break the chains of British colonialism. That is why they want education as an important tool against the British. But when we are talking about the British, they want to give education to Indians to gain political, economical and cultural hegemony over India. That was the difference, the contradicting things about education for Indians and the Britishers. That is why we are giving an importance to role of education. What is the importance of role of education? Now, Indian leaders, that was an important question. Indian leaders used education as a tool for unity. They used this opportunity of education to fulfill the dream of freedom for India. For what they done by national educational institutions. They put forward their own educational institutions. By secular education to all, giving all, Hindu, Muslims, everyone had to be secular education for socio-economic cultural progress, to promote nationalism. That was an important thing. By use of Indian education put forward by the British, they inculcated this opportunity towards nationalism and oneness in India. To oppose social evils by using education and to oppose Western education. These are the important tools and unity. Tools used by Indians when we are getting more and more education, and they have been a prophetess towards English education. Now, for that, they put forward certain institutions. One among them was the Deccan Educational Society by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopala Gangadhar, etc. Now, the second one is the first Indian Women University in Maharashtra in 1916, put forward by D.K. Karwa, great role in women's empowerment. Following this, many educational institutions were followed. Now, the third one is Vishwa Bharati by Tagore, Universal Brotherhood to bridge Western education and the Eastern culture, to amalgamate these two by Vishwabharati under the leadership of Tagore. Now the next one is Jamia Millia Islamia, to strengthen national movement by secular education. This was a contribution of Muslim people towards education at that time under the leadership of Muhammad Ali, Shaukat Ali, the Ali brothers, which we already studied in the Khilafat movement, and Zakir Hussain and Ansari. Now the next one is our own Kerala Kalamandalam in Cherudurthi, to defend the cultural invasion of westernization of Indian culture, to promote traditional art, and for that purpose put forward Kerala Kalamandalam in Cherudurthi. Next, very important thing, Gandhian role of education. When we are talking about Gandhi's role, he put forward certain ideologies put forward by him to impart Indian education for the goodwill of Indians. In this, Gandhiji introduced 1937 vocational education, where the people can work and educate. Help to build up a good future to define the British, and this entire thing is called it as Nayi Talim. According to Gandhiji, it called it as the Nayi Talim. Nayi Talim. Now, in a nutshell, following are some of the ideal national education completed the list. Ideas of national education: secularism, nationalism, women's empowerment, internationalism, revival of traditional art, vocational education. These are the institutions put forward for these all ingredients. For example, for secularism, in Hindu-Muslim unity, Jamia Millia Islamia. Nationalism, Deccan Educational Society. Women's empowerment, women's universities. Likewise, we can see. Now the second point of this chapter is all about role of art. Art played an important role in Indian nationalism, where we can see Abhirendranath Tagore, the Bharat Mata. Then Abhirendranath Tagore, Bharat Mata is the major contribution. Patriotism in Indian mind, according to these all things, created the patriotism in Indian minds. Many artists were influenced. Freed Indian painting from Western clutches, promoting Oriental painting based on Indian culture and tradition, started Indian Society of Oriental Arts. That is why he is having a good contribution in the art, and it's an important question. Now, the later Raja Ravi Verma, we can see that contribution also. The main thing, Nandalal Bose. His major two paintings being portrayed here, the village drummer, Nandalal Bose, and the Sadi, the Nandalal Bose. Various scenes of the village is being portrayed, and the social evils being portrayed by the Nandalal Bose. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് സഫറിങ്സ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ വില്ലേജേഴ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് വളരെ കൃത്യമായിട്ട് പെയിന്റിംഗ് വരച്ച അമൃത ഷെർഗിൽ. These are the important artists which contributed India's nationalism. In a nutshell, painting Bharat Mata, Abhirendranath Tagore, Sadi, village drummer, Nandalal Bose, village life, Amrita Shergill. It might be 1 mark question or even 2 marks question. You can go through.